2006 Mercedes CLK 350. How to get the center console out. Okay, you go in here, take out the switch, disconnect it, then you pop this cover out, disconnect all this wiring and bolt 10mm nut under this cover right here. One thing, there is there is two connectors, this one and the one that plugs in the light. They are the same connectors. So let's say you unplug the light, take out the cover, then you're gonna see this one, mark it just to make sure. But I think they are the same wiring color, but just to be safe. Now go to this panel, pop it up, you got two torque screws here, and this part, it's kind of a it's got bracket. Okay, let me show you on the car. Yeah, the seat belts, pop them out like that. That's what I was talking about. Just leave this up. You got two screws right here. Then this one, this bracket, somehow it goes in like that. You got two T30, I think, screws holding the panel. And then what I did, I used the wrench like that because there is no room to get there. Somehow you can get this piece out. Oh, and you got another two 10mm screws here. So this, that. After that you can get the this center console out. Start from the front, lifting up, move the emergency handbrake up. And another thing, that's why I'm making this video, this is a switch for the brake. The whole reason why I had to take this out, because while I was working on the pump, somehow something happened here and the switch got popped out, just like that. It's not in tight, period. And the light was staying on, so I even checked the brakes and all that crap, and I figured out that the switch is not engaging. Yeah, I had to go back here again. It just pops in like that. So when you put in the console back, check that switch, make sure it's there. And if you are getting to the pump, your next step, remove two T8 screws here, remove this, then open up the roof, remove these two things on both sides, pop this cover out, unscrew this, then you can get the carpet, this carpet out of here. It's attached, it just attached inside. Yeah, you need to remove the moldings, get the carpet out, and then you're gonna have a panel on the top with 1 million screws. And that's what you need to take out. Plus there is one in the middle, wiring. What else? The big panel, it slides behind the big panel. I made a mistake, I unscrewed the whole thing. Don't need to do this. just have to loosen like this much so we can slide it out. Oh, and then it goes in here. I mean, you'll figure out how to get there, but once you do it a couple times for free because you forgot to check on something, it gets pretty easy. Alright, well, good luck. So that's the switch, and I researched, and on another models it makes a difference on the cable adjustment, and this cable is super loose. I was thinking maybe it's out of adjustment, but the way it's made on this model, your cable got nothing to do with your switch, nothing. So in case if your light doesn't go out, most likely your switch got popped out, just like that. Alright, well, thank you.